talk to you on how to keep a good cooperative accounting system. Okay, yes, to keep a good cooperative accounting system, there are essential books that is expected to be kept by the managers of the cooperative. One of such book is members passbook. Okay, so this is a personal account on which all transactions between a member and the society are recorded. Okay, so it's good to have this members passbook, most especially when you always have a physical meetings where you meet with your members of your cooperative. So this passbook helps you to reconcile what is in the account of the cooperative and what is in that member's passbook. Okay, so you can have a sample, front page sample, where you have the name, the number of registration, the address of the member, date the passbook was issued. Okay, then of course you can have inside page cover all the shares and service paid by the member. Okay, all the withdrawals as well. Okay, then you can also have back page sample, which states the instructions, okay, or about the passbook. Every new member is expected to have a passbook, and passbook is a property of the society. Okay, so low and fixed deposit are not part of the passbook transactions. All right. Then the next book is analysis book. Okay, this analysis book help you to analyze all the payments made by the member. For example, Mr. John paid 260 naira. Okay, you can see how it's shared. You see the entrance fee. This is a new member, he paid 10 naira. Then shares, service, and fine. So all amount to 260 naira. So that's what analysis book can help you to do, help you to analyze all the payments. Okay, then you can also have cash receipt. Okay, and it helps you to record money received, both in cash and in check. It can just be a simple sample like this that shows shares, entrance fees, ordinary shares, special service, members loan, the treasurer will sign, and the total amount. Then you can have cash book as well that shows all the money received, disbursements that you have made. Okay, samples cash book, just normal cash book like this. We are seeing is a cash book that shows the folio, cash, and bank. Okay, dates and particulars. Then you can also have general ledger. Okay, that shows, for example, your bank charges, your telephone expenses, travel expenses, and the sample of telephone expenses can be just a simple sample we are showing to you now. Serial number, the dates, particulars, the amount, and the balance. Right, the personal ledger is a very important book. Okay, that shows the share, savings, deposit, withdrawal, loan, and refund of a member. Okay, and a sample of it is the can see the date, particular reference shares, and under the shares you can see the debit and credit and balance. Under the save you can see debit, credit, balance. Okay. Then loan bond. This is just a written agreement between member and the cooperative management. Okay, you can borrow from what we have, or you design your own to suit your own operations. Okay, you have back page of the loan bond, can just be something like this. Okay, and then of course you have road register that help you to record all the loan you have granted. Okay, from inception, name of the borrowers, the amount they apply for, the amount that was approved for them, the dates, the period of the loan, and every other information you need to add. Payment voucher, of course, is also very important to keep payment voucher, okay, to check your expenses and expenditures. Okay, so we have a sample of payment voucher. It can just be something simple as this. The minute book is also a very important book you expect to keep in your cooperative. Okay, help you to show the record of every minute of a general meeting or a management meeting. Okay, can just also be a sample of this where you have the name, the phone number, the details, signs, signatures of the members, whether it's by their present or their presence. Then annual financial reports. At the end of the year, it's expected that cooperative management prepare annual report. Okay, and in cooperative, we don't make profit, we make surplus. Okay, so when you have this surplus is appropriated in this format based on your bylaw. You look at your bylaw and appropriate it accordingly. Then, of course, you have a statement of financial position in case the cooperative have an asset. You take the cost of the assets, okay, and every other information as at close of the business. You have it as a statement of financial position. Okay, then you have accumulated fund where you have members fund. What member have contributed from inception to date is here. Reserve that you have kept for future use. The educational fund that you have appropriated from income and expenditure. General ledger, general reserve as well. So at the end, net asset and this net asset must be equal. Okay, they also have a cash flow, statement of cash flow that show the inflow and outflow. At the end, you now have cash and cash equivalent at the end of the year. Okay, now you have contribution. This shows the contribution of members. Okay, as they sign in, the day they sign in, the name of the member, the money they pay for entrance. In December, they pay shares and saving you. These help you to capture all the money. Okay, this help you to capture all the money. This looks like the personal ledger I've shown you earlier. Okay, but this is in Excel format, which we will show you later in our next presentation. We'll show you how to format, how to model this accounting record into Excel model for effective productions of your reports. Then dividend payment is also an essential document you need to keep. Okay, if you declare dividend, you can, this is an Excel format. Okay, Excel format. We'll also show you, by the time we show you the Excel model of cooperative society accounts, you have the name, the shares they have, the share value, okay, what they are getting under the share, what you declare for dividend, what you declare for the interest, and the committee, what they are getting, bonuses for those who access loan, and the further if there's any refund, what's your reserve fund, what you reserve for the education fund, what you reserve for education fund. So that's how you appropriate your dividends. Thank you for listening.